Welcome back, Kaspa people, for another video on Kaspa, another update. Make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. This is good. This is bullish. We're getting a very nice move on Kaspa. Okay, we told you we're looking for a move on Kaspa after we confirmed this double bottom and we broke the neckline. This is very good. You can see this is your neckline here. That was a support line. This is very critical area. You can see right here that was a support, resistance, and this was resistance as well here around the 8 cent. So between the 8 to 85 cents, that was a strong resistance. We want to hold above it for Kaspa to keep pumping. All right. So as said, we told you guys, we're looking for an oversold rally after a meltdown of Kaspa for the last many months, okay, since August, this downtrend. All right, so we're looking for an oversold rally, just like after every crash, you get a bounce. Okay, you crash, you bounce, you crash, you bounce, you crash, you bounce. Now here we have a double bottom. Okay, now a double bottom can lead to even to a bullish reversal to a new uptrend. It can do that. The question is it going to happen? Now, we cannot say now, but we're going to monitor it daily. So make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and leave a comment. What are you doing with Kaspa? Are you longing? Are you shorting? Leave a comment. So look, we broke that, okay? That's what we want. We want to see an uptrend, okay? At the moment, we had a double bottom and we had a breakout. Now we want to see more higher highs and more higher lows. Okay, so you want to see maybe a run to these levels, higher low, and continue higher high and higher low. That's will make me flip very bullish on Kaspa for on the big picture as well. All right, short term, I'm bullish on Kaspa because we have a double bottom, a breakout. Bullish on Kaspa, looking to make money on Kaspa. Now look, this is the most important area. Okay, you want to mark it on your chart, this baby. Okay, first of all, we are now testing the 100-day MA. That's very important, trend moving averages. And we have these, baby. We broke above the 50. Now we want to see a retest of the 200. The 200 is now at 113. And it's actually the same level of this major resistance. You can see here the 1-1 area. The 1-1 zone here was amazing support. Very important support. Here it was a bearish retest. We look for a retest of this support in this area. Okay, this area, expect rejection. In my opinion, is an amazing place to take profits. Me and the community, we're taking profits along the way. It already hit 1 or 2 targets for the trade. We're gonna take profits all the way to this level, and we're probably gonna leave a little runner. And look, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for this trade to go all the way to the 1-1, hopefully, so we can make some good juicy money. And then we'll see what it's gonna do. If it's gonna rip, okay, we're just gonna buy more on the breakout above the 200 or on the retest. Or if it's going to, behave like it should behave and actually run here and dump a little bit or dump hard, maybe it want to create like an inverse head and shoulders like this. You can see this one, something like that. Again, this is just hypothetical mumbo jumbo, but this is how we trade. We believe in making money. When it go up, we are up in profit. We make money. Guys, make sure to open a Bitunix account. You have the link below. Where is the link? I'll show you the link. The link below, man. It gives you a $200 on a deposit of 1K. You get many bonuses. The lowest fees, the cheapest fees, a liquid exchange. I have a tutorial on how to trade Bitunix, how to trade Kaspa on Bitunix. My longs are pumping. Also, if you can trade on MEXC, get yourself a MEXC account. I have a very similar campaign there. Free money there. You can join with the link below. Open yourself a MEXC account. This is the time you want to trade. You want to know how to go long, stops, everything. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. Get yourself the account. This is free money season now, as long as Bitcoin is bullish. By the way, smash the like, guys. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Very important to keep an eye on Bitcoin when we trade Kaspa, okay? Because Bitcoin is the daddy, okay? Don't listen to the delusional, toilet people that telling you Kaspa can moon with when Bitcoin is crashing. Okay, now this is Bitcoin. You can see we have a double bottom on Bitcoin as well. We need this to clear. If it's gonna clear that level, I think Kaspa will pump very, very hard. You can see Bitcoin didn't really break out above the resistance at around the 90K. Once Bitcoin, again, if hopefully, if the cards will align and Venus and Mars will start shine, whatever nonsense, if it's gonna break out, Kaspa will rip. Kaspa can rip 20-30% on this breakout. If Bitcoin break out, I think Kaspa can fly because short sellers cover. We're gonna talk about it, but you can see Bitcoin need to break that level. Kaspa will fly. Let's go back on Kaspa. Okay, so Kaspa. Okay, so you get short sellers, people that sold, they cover the short now. Okay, and bulls bought here, and they will buy all the way in. Okay, all the Kaspa, buyers, they will buy the rally. They like to buy the rally. So make sure you take your profit on the way. And yeah, that's a very nice trade. Now let's look on some momentum let's look on the 3-day chart. 3-day chart looking nice. By the way, keep an eye on the weekly. You can see the weekly. I'm gonna keep you posted what happened to the weekly. By the way, you have a bullish divergence on the weekly for Kaspa. We've been expecting a rally. We've been expecting an oversold bounce, and this could be a very strong one because you had nothing strong, like I'm talking about multi-week rally since October 2024, October, November, you had no rally, all right? So, and obviously keep in mind here, Bitcoin was bullish as well in November, okay? So always follow the Bitcoin, go long when Bitcoin looks like it's looking sexy, and you're gonna make much more money than listening to all the toilet people and get wrecked, buying downtrends, and then suffering every day and, need to find excuses for your wife why you sold your dog or why you dump your car or whatever, or why you never took a shower, you didn't took a shower for the last 2 months. All right, so look, this looks bullish to me. Again, short term. Again, I'm not mooning, I'm not expecting it to go bananas, but if, again, watch this stuff, man. This is the 50-week MA. If you see Kaspa closing above this 50-week MA, hold above it, create support above the 50-week MA, it's very, very likely we're gonna continue to a new bull market. This bear phase could be over. Again, I'm gonna keep you posted. This takes time. We need data. I have so many trolls and morons on my channel, man. They commented, "Oh, what about this? Why are you saying that? Why are you saying that?" They just have selective hearing. They are insane people. Really focus on the charts and wait for confirmation. This for me, if it's gonna close above the 1.3, the 1.4 on the weekly basis, hold above it, not coming down below it. You got yourself a new bull run for Kaspa, a new bull run. Till that happen, I'm expecting this to be just an oversold rally in a bigger bear market. Okay, as long as it's below this level and below the daily moving averages. Okay, so just some food for thoughts. But again, even from here, man, if it goes all the way there, that's a 50% move. For me, it's amazing trade. And yeah, guys, smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you get yourself a Bitunix account. And if you want to join our community, man, we have amazing trades. We trade Kaspa. We're already up on Kaspa from here, from that breakout. Where is the thingy? From that breakout, we're pretty much up around 15%. We trade Tau as well. Same idea, 15-20% gain so far in the next couple of days. We also have other trades that we're watching and we're trading. Make sure to join the community, the VIP community link below. Time to make money. And remember, you got to protect yourself. You got to learn how to take profits. Take your profits, because this could be the last window of opportunity, because before they pulled the rug on Bitcoin, and then your altcoins are so cooked So you gotta know how to trade. Trade it. Do not hodl for many years because a recession is coming. You gotta have your strategy, a plan, a risk management. And look, learn from what happened in the last couple of months to your altcoins, because now you have a chance to maybe recover your account or maybe go send your account to new highs. So really put some effort in it, learn how to trade, stop listening to the moon boy from the toilets that got you completely destroyed for the last 3 months. See you in the next video. Cheers.